Hello everyone and welcome to another room tour. We are still in the Premier Inn, but this is a disabled, accessible room. So, we're going to start with the foyer. As you can see, it's a bit dark. Straight away, there is no light here when you come in. So at night time, the only light you're going to get is if you turn this thing on here. Not the best when you're trying to move around, but it is quite wide. People that have stayed here said it's easy-ish to manoeuvre around in, and we're not too bad. So we're going to go this way first. Again, there's lots of room in this room. There's lots of space. You've got the two separate beds, but they like to have it separate because they have a sleep apnea machine. There's quite a lot of things. For plug-wise though, there isn't a lot here on the bedroom side. It's exactly the same layout as our normal room. You've got the two bed plug sockets here, one there, one at the far end, and one underneath the bedside lamp. For a disabled accessible room, I'd expect a few more plug sockets to be this side. But it's still quite big. Obviously you don't have the big sofa, you just have one chair for all the space here. And for the room side, it's virtually exactly the same. The only difference obviously is the disabled buttons and alarms over here, 4 cords and the call buttons if you need help and assistance. So we're going to go into the bathroom. Johnny's going to walk to a wall. We have a nice big wet room. People that say here said the shower is great, it is really good. There's loads of space here, obviously, for manoeuvrability. You have the stools, you have loads of arm supports here. One thing with this one is though, pull that one down, it's a bit wobbly, so if you do use these, make sure you check the screws. These are massively off the wall. But you've got everything low down for you. Again, we've got the alarm rope there as well. But for what it is for one night, it's good use. You've got the only downsides I would say is the wobbly thing there and the light here. Apart from that, it's a decent little room. So, thank you for watching, safe travels, thank you for being a friend.